Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel for video editing tips and tricks. Now I've been through with you before how to use the green screen Chroma Key Pro in Magix Video Studio 2025, but what I didn't go through with you was how to use the mask to really get that picture enhanced using the green screen. So I'm going to use a green screen that was a clipper with a green screen that was really badly lit and creased up, a bit like the one behind me here, which I'm going to see what I can do when I edit this actual video. So let's jump straight into it. We shall open up Magix Movie Studio 2025 Suite. Okay, and what we will do is we shall create a new product. So I'm just going to close a new project. So I'm just going to close that for now. And I've got a clip here that I want to use in this demonstration. Now it's asking me to adjust, if I want to adjust the timeline to the resolution of the video, which I do. So I'm going to click on adjust. Right, now as you can see, that's a really badly lit green screen. Not quite as bad as the one behind me, but there you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the Chroma Key Pro. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on effects. And I'm going to type in here in the search chroma, and there's your Chroma Key Pro. So all you do is highlight the video, click on apply, and once it's opened up, you've got all your options here. So what I want to do to start with, I want to click on a preset, and I'm going to click on preset, and I'm going to click on green key. Now as you look at that, you would think that looks fairly good, don't you? But when you click on it and maximize the screen, around the chair here you can see grey halos. So it's not fantastic. It's pretty good as it is, but it's not good. It's not fantastic. So I want to try and get rid of that grey halo around the chair and see if we can improve that. So all you would do is you would use the mask to do that. And all you do is you click on where it says show mask, drop back down and click on chroma key. And that gives you a mask. Now here you can see your blacks and your whites, and you can see around the chair where that grey marking is. So we want to get rid of that. So what I want to do is I'm just going to play around with the colour range and the sensitivity, and so we see him get rid of that. So I'm going to drop down the colour range, actually leave that where it is for a minute, and move up the sensitivity just a touch. So the more you move it up, as you can see what happens. So you just very, very slowly move it up until you get rid of, you want all blacks and all whites. You don't want anything other than that. So that's a black and a white there. So let's just zoom in on that. Click on the maximize. And you can see there's no grey bits or anything like that showing around it. It's all white and it's all black. So now what we can do is turn off that mask. So I'll go back into the mask and click on none. Okay. And now when we have a look at that now, it's a lot better. Let's zoom in. I'm going to click on control and move the zoom wheel on the mouse. So that's a lot better. You can still fine tune it if you want. Just go back out of there, click back onto your mask, which is here, green key. And then if you want to again, you can zoom right in on there, hold down the control key and zoom your zoom wheel on your mouse. Okay. And then what we can do again is just to play around with this sensitivity. Really, really slowly, tiny bit at a time. That looks fairly good. So let's turn off the mask. And there you go. It's a lot better. Still maybe just a touch more. So again, it's just basically a case of just keep playing around with these settings here, the colour range and the sensitivity. Don't move up the sensitivity, just a touch more. Let's have a look at that. Turn the mask off. That's okay. That's a lot better. So now we can zoom out. So hold down the control key on your keyboard and move your zoom wheel back out. And if you keep hold of the control key on your zoom wheel, you can move the picture up and down as well. So you can move it up and then zoom in down at the bottom if you want, just to check everything. But I think that looks fairly good. So what we shall do is we shall export that and have a look at what it looks like. Okay, so click File, Export Movie. I'm going to export it as an MPEG-4. Now, one of the questions my brother asked me today was, can Magix Movie Edit Pro upscale videos from HD to UHD? Why you'd want to do that, I don't know, but you can basically. So once you clicked on File and Export, you can just in your resolution box here, you click on that, you can drop it down and export it to anything you want. So 4K, 4K is there, anything you want really. But I'm going to keep it as it is, and I'm going to put it onto a desktop and just click on File, OK, and export it. So we'll export that and we'll see what it looks like.
Type of meat was Raquel.
So that's it. It's exported. So now I'm going to close the program and we're going to have a look at that video. And there it is. So just double click that.
Type of meat was Raquel cooking for her parents.
And I think you'll agree that's keyed the badly lit green screen out really well, and that's how you use the mask in Magix Video Studio 2025. I hope that helps and helps you to improve your green screening. If it does, please click on like and subscribe, and you will be notified when more of my videos come out. And thanks for watching.